Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer, your oldie but goodie, here to help those over 40 make a successful career in the online space. And today I'm going to take us back to kind of the basics of what is digital marketing. You know, you hear it so much and it kind of sounds a little scammy. So I want to explain exactly what digital marketing is down to the basics so everybody can understand it. So let's get into that. So what the heck is digital marketing, right? What is it? You hear so much about it, but what is it? So digital marketing is the cornerstone of making money online. That kind of sums it up, is you're making money online. You can sell a digital product, you can sell a physical product, but you're making money online. And that is the cornerstone of what digital marketing is all about. Serving as the bridge between businesses and their target audiences in the vast landscape of the internet. That's it. You're selling stuff online, no matter what it is you're selling. That is digital marketing. Digital marketing encompasses a diverse range of strategies and tactics aimed at promoting products or services using digital channels. So again, it's very simple in that all you're doing is using the internet, social media, ads, all those types of different ways of selling something online. And you're leveraging platforms. You're leveraging social media, you're leveraging businesses can reach and engage in a ton of other potential customers through the internet where they never could before, because the only way you used to be able to do it is somebody walked into your brick and mortar store. Well, now you have this huge opportunity with the internet that spans the entire world. So it is an opportunity of a lifetime for many. So let's talk about it a little bit more and how it actually works. So one of the primary ways digital marketing contributes to making money online is by increasing visibility and traffic to a business's website or online store. So that's all you're doing, is trying to push people to your website so that you can make more sales, right? And be more successful in the online space. Through search engine optimization, which I'm sure most of you have heard of, SEO, you are trying to target those people that you want who might be interested in your product. So you want to rank higher in those search engine results, driving organic traffic to your site. So before when you had a brick and mortar store, most of the time it was good old-fashioned advertising, in the newspaper, on the radio, whereas now you don't have to really rely on that because you can get organic traffic to your website this way. Content marketing plays a huge role in this entire digital marketing landscape, especially when you're trying to make money online, because you want to create valuable, informative, entertaining content so that people are drawn to your business. So that's all it is drawing people to your business online and making your content so engaging that they want to buy from you. So let's talk about social media and how it plays into the entire digital marketing space. It is a vital component of digital marketing, obviously, because social media is a free platform for driving traffic to your website. So that is a vital piece of this. It turns relationships into sales, basically. So somebody is watching you on social media, they like you, they trust you, then they want to buy from you. So there are just unparalleled opportunities to connect with your audience through social media. So it is a critical piece in digital marketing. And you must have a strategic content creation plan. So you can't just get on there and start talking about anything under the sun. You have to have a strategic plan on how you're going to use social media to drive traffic to your website. So let's look at strategic content creation and what that means. So number one, it has to be entertaining. You've got to grab people right off the bat with your hook. You've got to make them want to keep watching. And people want to be entertained, especially on social media. And it's so quick just to scroll past the content that you want something that's going to grab them. So make it entertaining and a nice hook where they want to keep watching. It also has to add value. People don't want to just listen to your content for no reason. It has to add value and solve a problem for them. So you're really wanting to solve your customer's problem. And a call to action. You never want to leave them hanging. You want to say, click here to learn more. Or if you want to learn more, go to my website. If you want to change your life through digital marketing, go here. A call to action is imperative because people need to know what to do next. And then we're going to talk about email marketing. Email marketing is a huge part of this entire process because you're not just making a sale and moving on. You're making a sale, you're getting information from your customer so you can continue to interact with them. Because if they trusted you enough to buy one thing, then they're going to trust you enough to continue to watch your content. So email marketing remains one of the most effective channels for driving revenue in the digital realm. And I've heard so many people say, well, I don't read my email, or people don't look at their email. People look at their email. And if they see valuable content from you on a regular basis, it is going to give you more sales. That's just the bottom line. You're nurturing those leads, cultivating those relationships through personalized and timely email communications. And then you can encourage repeat purchases, upsells, and referrals. So there's so many things you can do with that email marketing. So yes, you want them to buy that one time, but you want them to continue to come back. And that's the magic of email marketing. And the automation tools make it much easier these days. So once you have your automation set up, you can send emails to people without having to physically go in and touch them on a regular basis. So you can do email campaigns, maximizing your conversion rates through that. So it's not as if every day you're having to get onto email and create an email and send it to your email list. No, you create a series of emails, schedule them to send to your customers, and then you can sit back and let that automation work for you while you're doing something else for your business. Email marketing is amazing. And yes, it's been around for years, but it has been proven to be the best way to continue to convert folks to sales. So let's talk about some advantages of digital marketing. So digital marketing enables businesses to capitalize on global reach. So again, the internet is worldwide. It's called the World Wide Web for a reason. So you have an opportunity to reach customers that you never had before. So that's one of the beauties of digital marketing. With e-commerce platforms and online marketplaces, businesses can sell their products to customers worldwide. And this is one of the other huge advantages of digital marketing is it's very, very low barrier to entry, very cost effective, and many things you can do for free, like your social media. You can do ads for free, Pinterest, on and on. So it is a very, very low cost, low barrier to entry. So let's talk about, why you would want to do digital marketing or any type of online business. So let's talk about working for the man. So if you're working a 9 to 5, what does that mean? You're working somebody else's schedule. You're making someone else rich. There's zero flexibility and very limited income potential, right? And we're all tired of this scenario. Now let's look at working for yourself, which is what you can do through digital marketing. Set your own schedule. Once you have all your automations in place, you can literally work a 2 or 3 hour day and then go about doing things that you want to do. Work from home, really work from anywhere. You can go on vacation, pull up your laptop for an hour, answer some emails, answer some customer inquiries, and then move on about your day doing what you want. Make yourself rich and not someone else, because all of that money you're making is your profits. It's going in your pocket. And then unlimited income potential, because the more you build on this entire strategy, the more money you're going to make for yourself, and it's totally in your hands. Some of the best digital marketing programs out there, the Roadmap to Riches 3.0 is an amazing program, and it really helps you from a beginner level. It not only teaches you digital marketing, but it teaches you affiliate marketing. It shows you how to create digital products if you want to sell your own digital products. You also have 100% profit with their resale rights program. So you can resell their program and make 100% profit. So the Roadmap to Riches is a very, very good digital marketing program. The next one is the Legacy Builders program. Again, very beginner friendly. The biggest advantage with the Legacy Builders program is that you have 4 income streams. With the Roadmap to Riches, when you turn around and sell it, you're just selling one product. Whereas with Legacy Builders, you actually have 4 income streams. Very beginner friendly. The community is what sets this program apart from any other community, because they are on there to help you, support you. There are weekly tech calls where they can help you if you're having trouble setting something up. There are daily motivational videos, tips and tricks, and all of that is a lifetime access with no additional charge. So neither one of these programs has any upsells. Once you get in, you're in for life, and you have that program to offer to others and learn digital marketing in itself. So those are 2 of the best programs, and I actually have the links to those in my profile. So take a look, and you can check those out if you're interested. So one thing I'm going to leave you with is this: financial freedom is the ability to live life on your own terms. So you can have your time back, you can have financial freedom, and you're not depending on someone else. So it's worth every penny to get started in this digital marketing world. So thanks for your time. If you want to go to my website, Online Success with Jennifer, be glad to answer any questions, and hopefully this helped you understand a little bit more about digital marketing.